Here I'm going to show you how to find evidence in your old lesson and then how to copy and paste that evidence into today's lesson. The first step is locating your old lessons. To do that, I'm going to open a new tab and go to my Google Classroom. You can get there however you normally want to. Once you're in your Google Classroom, click on Classwork, and then you're going to see your old lessons right here. When you click on them, you'll be able to see the old lesson, and then you can click, scroll down, and return to those same documents you used before. When we look for evidence, we always want to consider what piece of evidence will support the answer that I'm trying to prove. So if I think that Confucianism would be the best philosophy to help bring my country together, I would want to find evidence that supports why it would be best. So maybe I'm looking for a piece of evidence that shows how Confucianism brings people together because it promotes relationships. Right now, I'm seeing evidence about legalism, and then when I scroll down, I'm also seeing evidence about Taoism, but I'm looking for something that proves that Confucianism is all about relationships. So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to click on the lesson from the day before. Now in this lesson, I'm seeing a lot more on Confucianism, and I'm also seeing in this text that it talks about how this Chinese philosophy is emphasizing proper behavior. That doesn't exactly tell me about relationships, so I'm going to keep going. Now in this page, I'm seeing this quote here that says Confucius taught that society worked well when all people use standards of good behavior in their roles and in their relationships with others. Let's say that I want to use this quote to support my answer. I'm going to copy it. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to right click copy. Then I'm going to go back to today's lessons, which is 417. I'm going to click on my evidence box, right click again, click paste, and now my evidence is in today's lesson.